Okay, so let's talk about Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up, and I thought, you know, you guys ought to know what great gifts we could give our moms from our Pampered Chef tools. So if you have a mom that loves to cook, I've got you covered. First of all, if you have a mom that's a wine lover, I have my electric wine bottle opener, and here's what's really cool. Check out the romantic lighting. See that? Isn't that cool? I love it. It has a little stand, so it fits on the stand. This part here, this is the wine foil remover. So you know that foil part on the top of the wine bottle? You have to take that off before you can use the romantically lit wine bottle opener. All of these are well within the $170 budget that most Americans spend for Mother's Day. Who knew? Okay, so that's $50, the wine bottle opener. Now, if you have a mom or grandma or aunt or, you know, sister, mother-in-law who takes their lunch to work and they like salads, then I would definitely suggest our Make and Take mason jar. So this is such a cool set, okay? So you've got the Make and Take mason jar, which is huge. I mean, who can eat this much? Although I have filled it up and eaten every bit of it with different salads. And it has, I think it's a 3-cup capacity up to here. Then it's got this cute little, it's another little, like a cup's worth of, you know, a container that you can also use as like your snack jar. They call it a snack jar. So let's say you only fill it up to here with whatever food you're taking to work. And then you've got a little snack jar too. You put your yogurt in here. I have to show you the lid. So the lid can be straight, or there's a compartment to put your dressing in. And then you just twist it up, and then it goes on the bottle. Okay, how cool is this? Wait a second, I gotta do it right. Okay, it goes on the bottle, and then you've got your dressing in the lid, so your salad doesn't get, you know, kind of mushy. It's got a little carrier that's insulated, okay? So, and, oh, I forgot the best part, well, it's not the best part, but it's a cool part. So it comes with a salad fork and spoon set that kind of fits together. They clamp together, but you take them apart, you turn them upside down, and look at, it's long enough, I should probably step back, to fit in the jar. So how cool is that? You can actually get it out. So I think this is great. I've taken this with me numerous places. And then on the side, it's got like a little pouch. So you can do, if you wanted to get the infusion water bottle, you can add that to it. And then you've got this great set that your mom can carry to work, or you know, when she goes to the gym or something, or even out for a picnic. I love this. Take mason jar set without the infusion water bottle is $27.50. That's well within that $170 budget that people are spending on. If your mom's a coffee drinker, you gotta introduce her to cold brew. And we have a cold brew pitcher that's really cool, and I use it literally all the time. So I make my cold brew. It takes about 24 hours for it to brew, but the whole thing, here's the filter part, okay? You stick it in here, it kind of fits together. I fill this with coarse ground coffee, and then this is the part you pour the water into. You fit it into the pitcher, okay? 5 cups of water, and it's about a cup of coffee. 5 cups of water go in there, and then it takes a little while to brew down. Awesome, yeah, it's an awesome idea for a gift, isn't it? And then you put the little top on, and you let it sit on your counter for 24 hours. And then in 24 hours, you have like amazing, very rich coffee. You have to I actually dilute it a little bit because it's a little too strong for me. But I can drink it cold, and if I want it hot, I just put it in the microwave and I zap it for like a minute or a minute and a half, depending on your microwave. And it also comes with a tea brewing basket. So this is, you'd put your loose tea in here, or tea bags even, I think can go in here, and it fits into, I'll show you. And the same thing, it goes in here. So if your mom's a tea drinker and she, you know, cold infusion is like the way to go. Cold brew coffee has less acid in it. So like I have reflux, and so, you know, sometimes I just can't drink a lot of hot brewed coffee because that releases the acids in and the oils in the coffee. So the cold brew is a great option for me. It doesn't bother me at all. So